Hello and welcome back to Mama Z's Texas Kitchen. How are you guys doing today? It is Friday. Well, it'll be Friday when you're seeing this video, but I want to welcome you back into my kitchen. Be sure and give me a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe, and all that fun stuff. Today, we are making a family favorite. Do I say that every video? But I wouldn't make anything that wasn't a family favorite. But this recipe is by request from my husband. He absolutely loves this recipe. We are making sausage and cabbage, and we are making it in the Instapot. He's like, you can make it in the Instapot. I said, honey, you can make anything in the Instapot or the air fryer, because I'm going to make it easy. So let's get a saute going on this pan. Yeah, I know. I got to go looking for it every dang time, right? Saute. All right. I'm going to drop a little bit of my favorite garlic olive oil here in the bottom, because I just love this stuff. I love how it flavors everything. As always, the link for this will be in the description below. Have you gone and picked any up yet? You should. I'm telling you, it's amazing. We've got some thick cut sliced bacon, because bacon makes everything better. We're going to drop that in, and we're going to crisp that up real quick. Now we're going to fry this up, and then we're going to take it out, and then we'll save it for garnishment. What do y'all think of the new overhead shot I got going on? Isn't that cool? I'm really excited about it. You know, I don't say it enough around here. Mama Z's is not a one gal operation. I've got my daughter helping me, Kendra, and my husband. Without their help, Mama Z's wouldn't happen. So, a lot of kudos to my husband and my daughter for all their hard work and putting up with me and helping me accomplish everything, because they put up with me. I don't know if y'all heard her in the background. She's like, uh-huh. My daughter is in college right now, and I know she's thinking, as soon as I'm done with school, you are on your own. It's okay. I am going to use her to death until that day. Maybe by then I'll be a big famous YouTuber and I can afford to hire a big crew. So that's the dream, right? All right. We're going to let this get rendered up, and then I'll bring you right back for this. We're going to swirl our bacon out. We'll put it on a paper plate with a piece of paper towel here. We ain't got a slotted spoon, so save all of our bacon fat in there. Okay, we're going to throw our, I've just got some regular Eckrich sausage. I'll throw that in there. So that get a little bit of a brown on it. I'm going to go ahead and hit cancel on this. Because our pan is hot, plenty hot, that it doesn't really even need any more heat on it. This will brown up plenty without it. I'm just going to toss this around real quick because I don't need it to get just real done. I've got just a little bit of butter I'm going to throw in here just for flavor. And let that melt down. And let it deglaze the bottom of my pan here. I've got some chicken stock. I'm going to put, about half a cup to a cup. And scrape the bottom of my pan. Get all that good flavor off the bottom of it. Because that's just flavor. Okay, and then we're going to start adding our cabbage. I've got a whole head of cabbage here. If you like my cutting board I have here, this was made by Jason over at Big Bear Homestead. I'm going to leave a link for this in the description below. He hand makes these, guys, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. I know you're going to want to pick one up, so contact Jason over at Big Bear Homestead. He makes them in all different sizes and shapes, and each one are handmade by him. And he just cut. They all come from wood from his homestead. I know you're going to want one. Okay, so let's season this up. We're going to add some salt. We're going to add just a little bit of garlic powder because I'm going to add some regular garlic to this too. My favorite spice in the world, cayenne. If you're not putting cayenne on everything, you should. Cayenne is so incredibly good for you. I need to get some onion powder out as well. I forgot the onion powder. Get a little bit of regular garlic. Okay. A little bit of onion powder. Okay. We're just going to push this down just a little. All right. And this garlic will wilt right down once you get the pressure on. So we're going to put our lid on. And this just takes 2 minutes to cook. All right, we're going to hit the pressure to 2 minutes. Did I hit the right thing? I did. I'm just kidding. 2 minutes. That's all. Timer has gone off. We're doing a quick release on our, I let it naturally release a little bit. Letting it quick release the rest of the way. It's almost ready. Let's see if this worked. I'm hungry. All right. Remember to always look away from your face so it don't steam your glasses. Give it a good mix. Cabbage is wilted down and looks pretty perfect to me. cabbage in a bowl. Some of our sausage. Some of our bacon. If you like this video, I got 2 more here waiting for you. Thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and we'll see you on the next video.